So I have ordered some basic medicine from pharmacy, and this pharmacy app has given me 20% discount on medicine. So I just request you people to download the app. You can install the app, and you can also avail the discount which I have got. So let's check it out today. You people can see the condition of my scissors, so I have to open it like this. Yeah, this is the Glucon-D which I have ordered for my son. Though I am showing you the MRP rate, but actually I have got discount. So this is a 200 gram Glucon-D. MRP is 70 rupees. You can see. Next one is the Neopeptine, which is also for my son. He is having some gastric problem or some digestion problem, so that is why I have ordered this. 149. You can see the rate is written. It's a very good medicine if you are having also a 4 or 5-year-old kid at your home. So it's a very good medicine. It's Ondem. Hope you people must have heard of. So this is for vomiting. If your son or your girl child is having some vomiting tendency, then you can give this. It's very cheap. 37.67 means 38 rupees. Ondem drops. It's a drop actually. So dropper is also given. Okay. This is the medicine. Next one is my son's favorite, Compline chocolate flavor. The price is 115 rupees for 200 grams. 115 rupees for 200 grams. It's chocolate flavor. You will get many other flavor like Kesta, Badam. Okay. It's for myself. I'm also having some digestion issue. That is why. Digen. Not Digen, it's Gelusil actually. Gelusil. Gelusil, 18 rupees. 18.10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 15. In one strip, we will get 15 tablets. at 18.10 rupees. It's a Volini relief spray. It's a pain relief spray, as all of you know. You must keep this thing at home, all of you. The price is 190. 190 for I can see the quantity. Guys, I can't see the quantity actually. Anyways, so it's 190 rupees. Volini pain relief spray. This one, it's actually adapalene gel. This is basically a cream based gel. If you are having the problem like pigmentation or blackheads, okay, or any acne problem, you can apply this. You just need to remove it. This is the direction for use. So, this gel, it's a very good product. The price is it's 220. 220. 220. If you are having any acne problem or blackheads, pigmentation, you can use that. It's a medicated product actually. So what's that? This is pyric acid. It's a medicine for fever. If your child is having fever, it's not for us, it's for the kids, it's for the children. So, and this is, you can remove it. Here you can measure how much you have to give to your child. Okay, 8 drops or 15 drops or 10 drops from here. So here you can measure by this. Its price is 22.85 rupees. Okay, 60 ml. It's a 60 ml pyric acid. The price is 22.85. It is also a must. You should keep this medicine every time at your house. Whenever your child is having fever, you can easily give this. This is a Eno sachet. It's a Savlon Herbal Sensitive Germ Protection Hand Wash. Nowadays all of us should use this 24/7. Okay, this is Savlon Herbal Hand Wash. It's very good. It keeps your skin very good, means skin of your hands, it keeps your hands very good, and we should use this. Now this corona time, this pandemic time, all of us should wash our hands frequently. So this is a very good product. Its price is 69 for 200 ml. You can see it's 200 ml. Price is 69, which is cheap enough. I have ordered this too, as it is I am getting this at 69, so I have ordered two. This is another one too. As I am getting this at cheap rate, so I have ordered this. So now you can see so all this medicine, there are so many medicines. So all this medicine I have got only at 704.31 rupees, guys, which is really cheap, I have got 20% off. So if you people want to get all these medicines, want to purchase the medicines from this app, go and install this app right now. Link you will get, I will give the link in the description box. Hope you have liked the video which I have made for you people. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you guys.